Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to discuss DeFi on Hedera Hashgraph and the ways we can make crypto passive income. If you like the content, please subscribe, comment, or share. Sharing is caring. All right, let's get right into it. So there's their website. If you want to do a little bit more research, you can go over here to DeFi. I'm going to flip over here to DeFi Llama. Looks like the total value of DeFi is currently down. Let's go over here and find the project and discover what's inside their DeFi ecosystem. So if I scroll down, they're currently ranked 43rd with 31.5 million in total value locked. It looks like Stader makes up 26 million, so 83% of this DeFi. I'm going to touch on them for liquid staking. I'm also going to discuss SaucerSwaps and Pangolin and the ways we can earn. And I will touch on HeliSwap, which I believe is fairly new. So if you saw my last video, you'll know you'll need to set up a Hashpack wallet. The Hashpack wallet works throughout the ecosystem. So you can come over here to hashpack.app and you can download the wallet. Make sure you back up and save your seed phrase and password securely. If you want to bridge, you can also bridge from MetaMask over to the Hashpack wallet. So you can connect various chains and bridge those over to your Hashpack wallet. That's an option. All right, so first I'm going to go over here to Stader and just take a quick peek. It looks like they've been audited. Liquid staking, you can do a little bit more research if you want. I'm going to click directly on their protocol, staderlabs.com. Click stake now. And yesterday I staked my HBAR for 6.5% through the Hashpack wallet, delegating those to the validators or the nodes. And here you can get 8.89%. And what happens is when you stake your HBAR, you will receive this HBAR X token. It's a liquid staking token, which you can use on other protocols. And we'll get into that. And it looks like they have other assets you can stake as well. They have DeFi on here, but it's taking advantage of these other protocols that I'm speaking about today. So I'm not going to get too far into it. So that is staking on Stader Labs. It's pretty straightforward. You have HBAR, you receive HBAR X, and which you can use. So you'll be earning rewards, 8.89%. If we come over here to SaucerSwap and we go check out their farms, so there's their link, saucerswap.finance. We scroll down, there's the HBAR X. So you might want to save some HBAR. You can create a liquidity pool or a farm here and earn 14% additional rewards. You can also swap for the sauce, so you can do HBAR X to the sauce. I mean, you can really get creative here, but the sauce token is the native token for this DEX, and you'll be earning 32%. And then we have HBAR USDC, which is USDC is a stable coin. You're earning 40%. So first you want to come over here and click swap. You're going to need to swap, so it's going to be 50-50. So if you want to choose the USDC, you're going to have to choose that. And you'll need, let's say, $500 in HBAR and $500 in USDC. And once you have that in your Hashpack wallet, then you can come over here to liquidity. And you'll need to supply. Okay, you're going to supply the protocol, the pair of liquidity, so HBAR sauce or HBAR USDC. And once that's set up, then you're going to come over here to farm, and you're going to find the different pool or farm that you set up, and you're going to stake that. Okay, so you're going to need to stake that. So once that liquidity pool or pair are set up, you're going to have to stake that. There's the fee. And once that's staked, you'll be earning the rewards. You can also stake the sauce token, and it looks like you'll receive multiple rewards. And once you stake the sauce token, you'll receive this X sauce, which is this liquid staking. And it looks like you'll receive farm emissions and a proportion of the swap fees from all liquidity pools. So that's another way to earn here on SaucerSwap. So multiple ways to earn. All right, so the next I'm going to speak to you about is Pangolin. And if I come over to pangolin.exchange, you'll want to do the same thing as research the pools. They have the super farms, which means that they pay out in multiple assets as rewards. And it looks like HST, this one here is Head Starter. They're platform, a ramp to be able to launch projects and get funding. So go check that out. That's another project, HST. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to discuss PBAR. PBAR is the native token for this particular exchange, and it's considered a super farm. I'd be getting paid out in PBAR and HBAR, and you would need to add liquidity. So you would need to swap like on SaucerSwap. You need to come over here, and if you have $1,000, let's say in HBAR, you would, let's say, do around $400 or $500 in PBAR. You're gonna have to do the numbers. So one HBAR is equivalent to 1.06 PBARs. So you're really gonna have to do the math. You're just gonna have to swap for some, and then come back over here and hit add liquidity, and then you can, figure out the math. Like you hit max, and like see HBAR 2.66 HBARs, 2.82 PBARs. So you just have to do the math there. And once your liquidity set up, you're gonna have to come over here to stake, and you'll be able to stake your liquidity. And if you have any PBARs left over, it looks like they're allowing you to stake those for an APR, or reward percentage, of 311. All right, so that's how you make crypto passive income within the Hedera Hashgraph DeFi ecosystem through Stader Labs for liquid staking, SaucerSwap or Pangolin for liquidity pools and farming. And next, I'm just going to touch on this HeliSwap. If I go over here to Twitter, they've been around since June 2022. 9,000 followers. They're state-of-the-art DAO structure. They're built on Hedera. I believe they went through their accelerator program. If we scroll down, it looks like you can receive a free report. Masari has done some research on them as well, so go check that out. If we go over here to HeliSwap's app, it's a similar thing, yield farming, right? You want to research the pools, and then you'll need to swap for the various tokens. It looks like you can use this HBARX here as well as USDC. All right, so that's the end of this video. I'm going to continue to make crypto passive income videos with various different projects. Look out for that. I want to thank you for watching. If you could, please share, comment, or subscribe. Until next time, see ya.